Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your website speed with WP Engine step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your WP Engine user portal. Once logged in, navigate to your environment dashboard. Locate the Sites tab and select the website you want to optimize. Click on the Performance section from the left-hand menu. Here you'll find various performance metrics about your website. Next, review the page speed section for current loading times. Identify any areas marked with recommendations for improvement. Proceed to the caching settings to enable or adjust caching options. Set the cache duration to a balanced timeframe that suits your site needs. Now, go to the CDN tab to enable the Content Delivery Network. Activating the CDN will help in distributing your content globally for faster access. Return to the dashboard and access the backup options for a precautionary measure. It's always prudent to create a backup before making significant changes. After backing up, navigate to the Plugins section. Deactivate any unused plugins that may slow down your site. Next, check for updates in your themes and plugins to ensure they are current. Outdated components can negatively impact website speed. Now, return to the Performance section to utilize the Monitor feature. This will allow you to keep an eye on your website's speed over time. Finally, perform a speed test using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights. Analyze the recommendations provided and implement those that apply. With these steps, your website speed should see substantial improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.